Hello everyone, I'm Hanushya Ilam from FTKMP BMMM1. Here today, I'm here to present about the meaning of a bridge. Here we go. A bridge is a continuation of a path through a barrier. It can connect riverside or past busy highways, forming intersections. Moreover, combined bridges involve the movement of road and rail transport. Such constructions are universal, but to ensure the safety of people, it is sometimes necessary to have precise movement control. Here are some types of modern bridges constructions. Taking into account the construction decision, the bridge can be divided several groups, which is beam, band, cantilever, cable, and depends.
Next, to determine the forces acting on each truss member. Okay, next, to understand how each bridge structure carries the weights that are imposed on it. Okay, lastly, to identify a number of elements that engineer takes into account when constructing a bridge. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. I will pass it to the next presenter.
Is represent to main bridge, and this is right side, which is represent to right stair. So this bridge was supporting with four column, which is FB, FC, FD, and FE. Next, I will explain about calculation of left side. So this is a free body diagram of left side, which is represent to left stair. We assume the stair weight is 30 kilogram. So 30 kilogram times with 9.81 equal to 294.3 Newton. And next we calculate the length of A, which is to calculate the length of A, we use theorem Pythagoras, and we got the value 9.89 meter. And then we calculate the momentum of y, summation my equal to 0. Negative 294.3 times with 4.945. This value is we got from value A divided by 2 minus FBC. FBC is this force B to C times with 9.89 sine 45 equal to 0. And we just calculate this and we got the value FBC negative 207.90 Newton. And to find Fx, we use this equation summation Fx equal to Cs minus Bs minus 207.90 cos 45 times with 8.4048 equal to 0. And next, we need to find the value of Cs. To find the value of Cs, we use equation summation Ms equal to negative 9.89 Cs minus 207.90 cos 45 times with 8.48 equal to 0. And then we solve it and we got the value of Cs negative 126.05 Newton. And then we need to find the value of Bs. Fx equal to 0. Negative 126.05 minus Bs minus 207.90 cos 45 equal to 0. And we calculate this and we got the value of Bs negative 237.06 Newton. And so here we got the value Bs, value Cs, and also the we got value FBC. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Rahim. Assalamualaikum. So my name is Muhammad Qayyum bin Suhaimi, and I'm the one holding a card metric B0920104339. Okay, so today I will explain about the middle bridge, which is as we can see, this is a FBD. So our load, which is 600, and then multiply with gravity, so we get 5,886 Newton. So from point A into point E, there is 100 meter long. So at point B, C, D, E, it have 8 hours left for distance. So as we can look at the formula, so we use FBD, which is we take 5,886 divide by 4, so we get 1,471.5. So we multiply by distance, and then every point we add, so we get 40, we get 60, 85. So the last one, we subtract with Newton, and for 50 meter, so we subtract with 100, which is 100 is the length, and then Fy. So after that we get 0 minus by 100 Fy force, and then the last one we get 0. So this is equilibrium. And after that, for the formula Fy, which is we take from point A, and then we add, okay, and then we add with the force, and then multiply by 4. After that we subtract with kilogram and gravity, so the final answer we get 0. The main FBD that I see, that I say, which is the FB equal to FC, FC equal to FD, and FD equal to FE. Okay, for the next slide, the right side. So the right side, the part which is holding the bridge, so there is a view angle, as you can see, which is 45 degree, and then 30 kilo multiply with gravity 9.81, so we get 294.3 Newton. So the length of the side, which is 6 meter long. Okay, then we look at the formula, which is we need to find 0 for equilibrium. Okay, and then we can take moment from AB, which is Newton, multiply with the middle point, and then subtract with the force AB. They take the full length, which is 6, and then the angle, so we took sin 45 degree, then equal to 0. Okay, after that we solve, we get 882.9 minus with FAB, force FB, and then multiply with 4.243, then equal to 0. So we just transfer to make it 882.9 divide by 4.243, so we got the answer 208.8 Newton. Okay, then we go through the force. So the force, we took point B, subtract with point A, and then subtract again with 208.8 equal to 0, and then the value, so 6A AY, subtract with 208.8, and then multiply with cos 45, and then multiply with 6, and then we solve it, so 882.81 divide by negative 6, so we got the answer negative 147.14 Newton. Okay, for the force B, force By, is also equal to 0. Okay, and then we insert the value, which is negative 147.14, subtract with point B, and then subtract with 208.8, multiply with cos 45. So we got the answer. So must make sure it gets 0. So uh, we solve it, multiply, and then the final answer, which is negative 294.28 Newton. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching.